Hey, what's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. It's been about a week or so since I've done any YouTube videos. I just got back from beautiful, sunny, warm Costa Rica. So I'm going to be diving in and doing some updates here. Guys, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for entertainment and educational purposes only. So do not blindly follow anything I say or do. This video is going to be on Bitcoin. Also, guys, if you guys like the content and enjoy the time that I spend doing all of this, please hit the like button, notifications to be notified of new videos that get posted out, and also subscribe to the channel. All right, so before I left, we were tracking this potential ABCDE triangle here, which has currently played out so far, which would be potentially putting in the top of our B wave in here. It is possible that this thing extends over and I have this labeled incorrectly, and this is the A, B, this is the B, C, and this is D, and now we have one more leg up for E. That is possible. Triangles are very, very difficult, really to predict how they're going to turn out. They can do all sorts of different things, which is what makes trading a triangle, for me, not a good idea and nearly impossible for anybody else. It's a good way to get all shaken up and stirred up and shaken out. So I'm not trading this by any means on the micro. So anyways, if this has broken down here and we are following through in our C wave, we're currently targeting around 25,300 or so is where our current target would be for our fifth wave of our C. That could extend all the way down to 23,000-ish if, it does get a little bit of extension and we get some panic in the air and people start to kind of capitulate a little bit more. So that is definitely a possible scenario. But ultimately, my primary right now, right here, is that this is a triangle. This is an ABC, and then we will bottom here somewhere in this zone. That is my ultimate primary situation. So let's zoom out a little bit and take a peek at what that looks like from the bottom here, basically in November. I've got my two scenarios on here that we're going to go over real quick. So the first one that we just talked about would basically be that we have got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got an A, B, C down to put in our 2. And then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are potentially starting our our 3 wave after we complete this A, B, C down here, and then from there continue up at that point. As we just went into the micro on what this exactly is, like I said, I believe this is a triangle of a B wave, and we are potentially breaking down out of it now. And we'll end up in this support zone here from 23,000, down to 26K. If you throw our fibs on there, that lines up pretty damn well with, 618, which is 23,299. This could get as deep as 21,737 here, which would be the 786. But right now it's not targeting that low from what I can tell. Obviously, crypto is fluid, trading's fluid, and market analyzing these charts is fluid as well. So my bias can certainly change if the chart starts to show me something else. So that would be my primary number one scenario, that we are going to be finishing this 2 wave here, and we will be, heading up to basically put in our 3 wave around $60,000-$70,000 or so. It's ultimately my primary. The other scenario that we could be in is that we have got our 1, 2. This is a 3. This is an A, B, C to put in a 4. And this is our 5th wave up here. and this is actually the start of a larger correction, which could be, you know, an ABC, or this possibly could be a 1, this could be a 2, which doesn't make sense that this is a 2-wave here, because it's really looks like a triangle. So if this is the case, this could obviously turn into a 3-3, you know, 5, where this could be an ABC down here, and then we get, you know, a 3-wave up and then a 5-wave down here, and then when we reverse, you know, from around 20,000 to 22K. So that would be, excuse me, that would be the alternate scenario that I see as possible, which would take us down, like I said, to, you know, potentially 20,000 or so. And then this whole, this entire structure would be, you know, a 1, 2, which would be this green count here. Get rid of this mess here. So this whole leg up would be a 1, and then you would have, you know, some sort of an ABC down to put in your 2, and then from there you would have your 3, 4, 5 up. So that's the second scenario that I see as possible. But as always, I will keep this updated. If you guys, you know, want more frequent updates on Bitcoin, come join my free Discord community. Also follow me on Twitter, and I do daily Bitcoin updates there as well. All right, see y'all later.